This video, brought to you by Funding101.org, includes several social media secrets for your nonprofit. The value of social media is that you can reach out to tens of thousands of people at no cost to your nonprofit with the click of a button. In making profits for your nonprofit, we also explain that the value of building a social media platform starts to have a ripple effect when you start pursuing grant money and sponsors. But for now, let's just focus on reaching your audience. Be specific with your social networking. If you know your audience well, pick the social media outlets that they frequent and don't waste your time with the ones that they don't frequent. Find an expert to guide you at first. Ironically, in this age of the internet, that expert might be a high school kid whose mom is one of your volunteers. Once you get your account set up and you start to build your following, there will always be time to hire an SEO expert, but for now, let's just get you started. Explore your options on social media. Facebook, for example, not only allows you to set up one account for your nonprofit, but you can also set up groups. In the beginning, just go with one account for your nonprofit to start with to build your audience, but as your nonprofit starts to grow, you might want to explore possibly starting some groups of your own. On the flip side, your organization might want to start joining other groups that are out there on Facebook and LinkedIn to again leverage your outreach both for followers and for potential donors. Social media can help you in a wide variety of ways, but among the simplest is leveraging. As you build your audience and start posting on a daily basis, your followers can start sharing your posts with their followers, who in turn can share those posts with their followers, and ultimately things go viral. Remember that every person who sees your post is a potential volunteer, donor, or sponsor. This is one time when the more the merrier really does apply. As the old saying goes, you get one chance to make a good first impression. For that reason, we recommend your board of directors decides what tone you want to set in your social media interactions so that you can give it your best shot from the beginning. Remember that people volunteer their time and talent and donate their money to causes that make them feel good. So if the tone of your nonprofit is negative and biting, you might want to rethink that before you go on social media. People have very little free time these days. So the people that they're going to follow on social media are people that provide them with interesting and attention-grabbing content. Photographs and graphics are much more likely to be viewed than straight text postings. It takes a little more time to put those together, but it's worth the time. As you're building your social media following, start with people you already know who are on social media and ask them to help you spread the word to their followers as well. Connect daily with your followers. I'm not suggesting that you post what you had for lunch today, but I am suggesting that there are interesting and powerful things happening in your nonprofit on a daily basis, and those are the things you could share. If for some reason there was nothing interesting that day, share something educational or inspirational or entertaining. Growing a social media following is like growing a garden. It takes time on a daily basis and attention. We would recommend a minimum of 30 to 60 minutes per day devoted to your social media growth. If you can find one volunteer who's handy on their computer, it would be worth having one volunteer dedicated to that process because the return on investment is massive for your nonprofit. Cover all the bases so it's easy for your followers to help you succeed. By that we mean include follow links on all the pages of your websites. When people visit with one click of the button, they can choose to follow you on all of the various social media networks you're on. Include those same links in your signature lines on all your outgoing emails and all of your newsletters. If you make it easy for people to follow you, they will. If you make it hard for people to follow you, they won't. Invest in your long-term success by courting young followers today. Even if your target demographic are senior citizens for your nonprofit, there's no reason why you can't be courting young volunteers. If you run a VFW organization, for example, you could and should be courting young veterans for future board members and, of course, volunteers. Funding 101 is dedicated to helping nonprofits thrive no matter what the economy's doing. Our program, Making Profits for Your Nonprofit, includes more than 100 tips and a baker's dozen of success principles that you can start using today to attract more donors, more volunteers, more business sponsors, more grant money, more media coverage, and a whole lot more. Best of all, 90% of all the tips and techniques we're sharing in the program won't cost you a dime to use. The bad news, though, is every one of those tips and techniques is already costing you a boatload of lost revenue until your organization starts using them. You deserve to be successful and to expand the good works that your organization does every day. Now, it's time to invest in your organization and learn some new techniques that will help you stop struggling and start thriving. Click on the Add to Cart button to get your program today. To read more about social media, follow the link provided on your screen. The work you do is important, and your success matters to us at funding101.org. So keep up the good work and watch for our next video.